So, I've been driving my truck a whole lot more. And let me tell you guys something. I really love this thing. But we're going to talk about something important. And that's fuel mileage. Now, first of all, let me tell you guys about my setup. This is an F-250 custom. It's got a 460 big block in it, 5-speed, 4x4. I'm running about 33-inch tires on it. And besides that, everything is factory on it. Let's see, I picked up a few things in it. An engine block for another project, Jeep, a few other things. And let me tell you guys something. The horror stories are true. These trucks are not good on gas. So today I decided to find out how bad they actually are. So we're gonna go and fill up and do our own calculations to see what kind of fuel mileage I'm getting out of this. As you guys know, I live in California, so never mind the price of the gas. So here we are filling up the rear tank of this truck, and that's where we're gonna run our test. We're gonna see just how much money it takes to fill this up. And we're gonna be driving on this rear tank all day, a few trips, and when we're done, we're gonna fill it back up and see how much money it takes to refill that thing. To see how much gas we spent. Alright, catch you guys back on in a bit. Alright, so the tank appears to be full now, and in total we pumped 12.09 gallons. At the end of our trip today, we're gonna come back to the same pump and fill it up again and see how much gas we spent. Alright, so here we are, about to head on to our first trip. Right now, I am sitting, actually, I haven't switched the tank yet. We're gonna switch over to the rear tank, which we just filled up. We are going to also reset the trip odometer to 0, but I am also gonna be using the GPS on my phone because I don't think that reading here is gonna be too accurate, since my tires are a little bit bigger than the factory ones. So then we'll have to make some calculations, and we'll see what exactly fuel mileage we're getting. So as you guys can see, my first trip, according to my GPS, should be around 18.8 miles. So about 19. We'll see what my trip odometer says, but yep, we're gonna mainly go by the GPS here. Alright fellas, seems that we have made it to our first destination. Now, if you go by what my odometer says, my trip odometer on the car, you'll see that
So I have two Broncos with 545 cubic inch big blocks. Over the years, I've ran quite a few different exhaust systems. Here's a little breakdown of what each one of them sounded like. So I have two.
Yeah, I'm sure my neighbors hate me at this point.
So I have some news for you about what is a Ford Highboy truck. This 1979 F-250 regular cab is not a Highboy truck. This 1979 F-250 crew cab is not a Highboy truck. And this 1979 F-350 X36 truck is also not a Highboy truck. Highboys were from 77 and a half and earlier. Anything else is actually a lowboy Ford truck. So I have some news for
Ella McKay, now in theaters. You'll laugh. You'll cry.
We got a 1989 F-250. It's lifted. We just did true duals on it into 6-inch tips, 2 1/4. We're too busy to record the bottom of it, so we'll let you guys hear it, because that's all that matters at the end. Go ahead. Oh, so much better. God, this thing screams. Wow, again? There's sound decibels, and one more time. 122 on the sound decibels, man. That's loud. Go ahead. Wow. It looks good too. You'll see it on the channel in about a week, 2 weeks, around there. That's awesome, man. Enjoy it. Imagine the cold start. Oh, it's going to be so loud. All right, guys.